How to add echo on iMovie. In today's video, I'll show you how to add an echo effect to audio in iMovie. Let's get started. First, remember that the iMovie app is not available on Android device. So on your iOS device, click on search bar and open iMovie. Now open your project in iMovie and find the audio clip or video clip that contains the audio you want to edit. Now click on the clip so it's selected. You'll see few editing options appear above the viewer. Now click the audio button and preview the window to open the audio effects. Scroll through the audio effects until you find echo. Click on it and it will automatically apply the effect to your selected clip. Now hit play and preview your audio with the echo. You can adjust the volume or trim the clip if needed. And that's it. This is how you add echo effect on iMovie. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.